Hey friends, who's hungry? Bring Louisiana flavor to your table with this creamy, buttery, New Orleans-Style Scalloped Oysters Casserole. It's perfect for holidays and southern seafood lovers alike. Before we get started, I want to mention that you will need to drain 2 pints of oysters and reserve 1 cup of the liquid. After you've done that, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat in a large skillet. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onions, half a cup of finely chopped celery, half a cup of finely chopped green bell peppers, and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Cook the vegetables for 6 to 7 minutes until tender. Stir in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and cook for 1 minute. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1 cup of reserve liquid from your drained oysters. Cook until the liquid is thickened, about 4 to 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Remove the pan from the heat. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish with butter or nonstick spray. Spread 1 cup of crushed crackers or breadcrumbs in the bottom of the casserole dish. Layer half of the oysters, followed by half of the sauce. Repeat the layers, finishing with the breadcrumbs. Drizzle the melted butter on top. Sprinkle with half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Bake the casserole uncovered for 30 to 35 minutes until golden and bubbling. Let the oysters cool for 5 minutes before serving. Then garnish with lemon wedges and hot sauce if desired. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.